Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making a vegetable side dish. This side dish consists of mushroom, zucchini, and red onion. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna start off by prepping the zucchini and the onion. Use a knife to cut the two ends off, then slice the zucchini. Once you're done with the zucchini, we're gonna move on and slice the onion lengthwise. Transfer the sliced zucchini and onions onto a baking sheet. Add the mushrooms. Season with Italian seasoning, black pepper, and some salt. Drizzle with avocado oil, then mix everything together. Mix, mix, mix. This is one of my favorite side dishes. I hope you try it, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now we're gonna roast this at 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now we're gonna move on to prep our chicken breast. First, place the plastic wrap on the countertop. Place your chicken. Place another plastic wrap on top. Then use a meat mallet to pound your chicken breast. Pounding tenderizes the chicken breast, making the cooked results more tender. As you know, each piece is a different size. They will cook at an even rate, so it's best you pound them to have an even thickness before you cook them. Into my baking pan, I'm gonna drizzle avocado oil. Place your chicken breast. Season with salt and black pepper. Drizzle with avocado oil. Flip it over and repeat the same process. Pop this into a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. The chicken breasts are out of the oven. Now it's time to serve our dinner. These chicken breasts, guys, are so tender. I wish you can see, they're so juicy and delicious. Okay. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.